Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wasabi. Well, today we're gonna review the Featherella brushes. This is actually my second video reviewing it because the first one I just thought it was the first video I tried to take a video where I have like a white lightning, but it just made me like just yellow and just Asian. So I got it. I'm still gonna like insert the video on this video. I'm still gonna insert the first video so you guys can see when I was trying to take it off from the package, and it was like in a purple, like seductive looking package, and I love it. But I'm gonna take this second one where I actually use some of the brushes to tell you guys if it's really worth it or not. And I've been seeing Featherella brushes, and I believe they only sell brushes and like lashes, and on Facebook. And this is actually 10% off, I believe. No, 40% off sale if you use a code Jewel sale. If you just go to Facebook and type in Featherella, like feather with the ELLA, and it's the original Jewel Mermaid brushes, and it's actually $70, 70, but 40% off, and for $44, including the shipping for it, it includes 10 brushes, makeup brushes. It includes
Luxe Fan Brush, Foundation Brush, Luxe Brushing Brush, Ankle Brush, Blush Brush, Precision Highlight Brush, Petite Crease Brush, Luxe Blending Brush, Petite Shader Brush, Luxe Shader Brush, Pencil Brush.
These brushes do look the same-ish from the Tarte Mermaid Brush set they got, but the only difference is that, so the Tarte Mermaid Brush set, they sell only 5 pieces, and it will be only large powder brush, cheek brush, highlighter stippling brush, is that how you say it, and a dome eyeshadow brush and a pencil brush for almost the same amount. And it says here $42 for 5, and I don't know how much the shipping if you just buy that, but Tarte 42, let's say with shipping, let's just say same price, 44, with how much I got all this for 10 pieces. So before I get to my issue about this, but okay, so this is the packaging. They all come in like this kind of a plastic inside with the like protects the brushes and stuff, and you open it and then like they're really thick and they're really soft. They're really soft, guys. Oh, it matches my hair, well, half of it. But yeah, the Tarte is like darker at the bottom of this. You know how it's like pinkish here, but it's darker here. And the big brushes from Featherella have like Jewel over here. The Tarte doesn't, but it has like a logo thing, which this one's also have a logo and stuff. I didn't do my nails, but the bag has a lot of glitter. The Tarte Mermaid brushes have like deeper color to it, and the brushes from it's just all pink. This one has a, you know, like pink and blue, but they're really soft. So I'm gonna show you guys the 5 like big brushes that came with it, because I feel like I'm gonna drop all of it if I try to hold all 10. But yeah, I did use some of it already to see how they feel and how they like, you know, get the pigments of like the eyeshadow and stuff. So this is the 5 big ones, as you can see. This is the 5 for eyeshadow ones and stuff. They also have a logo on it. There. So I did try some of them to do my look today. And guys, I don't know if I look like shit right now, because I did this makeup way earlier. And yeah, I'm expiring. Okay, so I do love them. I do love the brushes. I love them for the price and 10 pieces. But my only problem is that one of them, I think it's this one, one of them, I didn't even dip it yet to the palette for my eyeshadow, and this part was starting to wiggle already, this part. And then I'm like, what the heck? And then like, can't even, let me try to focus it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it was like bad already. It was bad. So yeah, it was already broken. The rest are not wiggly, so I think it's alright. Plus, I mean, I'm gonna give this still a 10 out of 10 as a very good still, even though like one gave up on me. Jack, why you gave up on me? Yeah, so I really think it's still, you know, fixable. I still give it a 10 because just not, I'm gonna give it a 9 or 8 just because it came off. I'm measuring like that. You girl ready? I bought the grill. Super good. I don't know why I acted like I didn't know what it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna like glue it back together. Yeah, no, I guess I just got unlucky with this one brush. Somebody wasn't doing their job. You have one job. Yeah, the rest I try to like wiggle a little. Not wiggling at all. I guess somebody just forgot to glue this one and then they're like, ah, fuck it. But yeah, I still give it a 10. Still good. I really think you guys should get it. I'm not saying don't get the Tarte one. You know, that's all you guys. I've been like eyeing it at Sephora, but then I saw this with 10 pieces for the same price. I'm like, you know, fuck it. That will be it. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and give it a thumbs up. I think like and give it a thumbs up is the same. I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous. My first video. I hope you guys like Wasabi. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't trying to flick you guys off, but I just really like this hat.